Hi there, welcome to my vlog. Right now I'm at Natuurmonumenten. It's an organization that preserves nature. I'm on my way to Gallery McSorley to see the group's exhibition, which is connected. It's a beautiful collaboration. If they sell something in the gallery, a percentage will go to the Natuurmonumenten organization, which is a really great combination because the nature here is fantastic. I just love it here. They do not only preserve nature, but also these beautiful houses. They call them buitenplaatsen. Hi. Donald, since when do you have this gallery?
Well, since the year 2000 I begun the gallery. So I've begun with glass paintings and sculptural art.
But you're not from Holland, are you?
No, I'm not. I'm American. And I became a Dutch citizen in 2004.
How did you end up here? Why did you open a gallery in Holland?
It's coincidental. My father was a designer with color and painted as well. So I was offered at the museums, and then I married a Dutch artist in '99 and started the gallery in 2000.
Your gallery is in a very beautiful spot here.
Yeah, across the road is a historic monument, a botanical park with a beautiful garden. It was donated by the Six family on the Nature Foundation. With Nina Six, who's exhibiting her works here, and I wanted to bring that connection out in this exhibit because of the importance of nature.
Your family has a big history of art collecting, and it's a really rich history.
My family used to be big donators to artists like Rembrandt. It's a wonderful collection with the Rembrandts and Frans Hals and Ruisdael. Because they supported Rembrandt so he could make his paintings. And as a thank you he portraited my ancestor, the mayor of Amsterdam, Jan Six, and his mother.
How is it for you to paint with a family like that?
Yeah, I don't think I've ever made a connection. It's just something I love to do.
But do you feel some sort of pressure to be fantastic?
Not at all. No, not at all. No, I paint because I love to paint. That's why I paint. That's why people should paint.
Hey, tot ziens. Bedankt.
Bedankt voor komen. Geniet te zien weer.
It was very nice to see the exhibition and the connection with the nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! Did you like this video? There's more, this one or this one. You could also just subscribe to my channel with this button and you will never miss a video.